कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅम आणि जमीन हातासपाच्या प्रकरणावेल्यान आमदार विजय सरदेसायान भाजपा सरकाराचेर फोग काढलो. कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅम प्रकरणात दामून दवरपाचो सरकाराचो यत्न चल्ला. सरकार कितलेय यत्न करून ही प्रकरणां भायर येतलीच अशेंय विजयाचे म्हणणे. दुसरे वटेन जमीन हातासपाच्या प्रकरणांनी भाजपा आमदार घुसपल्यात असो आरोपूय विजयान केलो. आयकात ताचे म्हणणे.
Job scam issue, the chief minister has managed to divert the issue and to somehow put it under the carpet in the festivities of the festive season and the new year that is going to come. The accused who had given 46 names, Parab, is now released. What happened to the investigation in that regard? Have these 46 people whose mobile numbers were given, amount was given, have they been called by the police? Why has the investigation in the cash for job scam gone to a dead end? Why are FIRs not being registered? I've got cases where FIRs have not been registered. People have been given money out and told to settle. See, this settlement cannot happen. Corruption is when money has been given and money has also been taken. So if the taker gives the money back, it doesn't mean the crime is over. We cannot take this lightly. You cannot divert these issues. If Chief Minister is trying to divert it, only one thing I will tell you, and which the central BJP leadership has to answer. Cash for job scam is symptomatic of the fact that in Goa merit has no value. See, we invest so much in our children to give them good education. They come first in the 10th standard, 12th standard, but they can't pass in the government exam. Why? Because they haven't paid money to whoever the broker is. And these brokers are connected to the ruling party. This has all come out in the course of the investigation. It cannot be hidden. So cash for job scam is very much alive. Although the government is trying its best. Land grab issue is still bigger issue. A man was checked out from a jail and checked in back. And the issue is over. 48 cases where FIRs were filed. Only 4 cases have been charged. So 44 cases BJP MLAs are looking out in the new year. I think their resolution will be that these 44 cases, their land should come in our leagues. Ruling party MLAs are involved in this. This has come to the notice of the public because the public has been told by the accused who came to the police station. What is the role of the chief minister? Everything is there in this. There is no hiding the fact that this land grab issue, the government is involved. It is one of the best ways to monetize assets and throw poor people whose lands have been grabbed to the wolves.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही.